Alrighty, the third thing that I'm going to show you guys today is how to do a few unique things on my page here. Namely, if I update my branding, how do I roll that out across multiple pages? So let's go back to my dashboard here. And I have a couple pages here. I have these 2 pages as well as these. Each one of these pages, let's go ahead and open them up in separate tabs. Each one of these pages have the same intro section, but they're different pages, right? This page is for a campaign, whereas this page over here is for a product launch, right? And this page here is for a partners program, but again, they all have the same intro. I want to go ahead and change that intro section because we're updating the branding across all of these pages simultaneously. So what I'm going to do is go into any one of these pages that has that global block, and I'm going to change the background color. So first of all, what I'm doing here is I'm going to edit this global block once, and it's going to highlight this section, right? So I'm going to go ahead and hit edit on this section. Okay, so I'm going to change the background. And I'm going to remove this image because I don't need that. What I do need is this color here as the background. Okay, and then of course I need to update a few other things because I just made that change. I need to update the text color, etc. So I can make as many changes as I want. But let's go ahead and edit this button, and let's make the border color match that as well as the text color. And I'm just about done here. Let's update this color as well. And let's swap the logo with a dark logo. Okay, I have in my image manager a logo here ready to go. I'm gonna plug it in, make sure everything looks good there. I am done now, and I am ready to hit apply changes. So it's gonna show me which pages here this is gonna go live on. So I'm gonna hit proceed. Again, I went through and showed you guys that all of these URLs here currently have the same header, right? Before I go ahead and push this to all of the pages, I need to go ahead and hit update. Now let's go back to the dashboard and reopen these pages. Let's actually just try to hit refresh, and just like that you'll see on this page. But let's refresh this page. There we go. Let's refresh this page. There we go. And then again, let's refresh this page, and you'll notice that these are different URLs and again, different pages. So just like that, I have rolled out this branding change across all of these pages, and that is how I do a branding update.